AI and robotics keep moving forward, and they are improving at a shockingly fast pace. Like Elon Musk has said many times, working will eventually become optional. People will be able to have all the goods and services they want without needing to do exhausting jobs. And now, Elon Musk has just released the newest demo clip of the Tesla bot Optimus, and honestly, it might be one of the wildest demonstrations we have seen so far. It proves just how unbelievably quickly the company is boosting the abilities of this humanoid robot. Earlier this very year, people were still making fun of its walking style, comparing it to President Biden, a diaper-wearing toddler, or even a drunk person stumbling around the street. But now, just look at this fresh demo. My goodness, the running posture, the overall speed, the length of each stride, everything appears almost exactly like a real human being. And now, when you compare it to those robots from China or Russia, they walk as if they just completed a harsh leg workout and might collapse at any second. The distance and performance compared to Tesla is enormous. Elon Musk is clearly pushing extremely hard to speed up Optimus of development so that it can be ready to go on sale next year. And that is not even the stopping point. Another new close-up video of the Tesla bot's hand has people everywhere asking just how far Tesla wants to take this machine. Look at how the fingers shift and curl. The amount of dexterity is incredible. We would actually bet that it could glide over piano keys, just like Elon Musk mentioned earlier. He said their next generation will have 22 degrees of freedom, and the robot will genuinely be able to play the piano. So it is really, truly stunning. Elon Musk has repeatedly pointed out that the hand of the Optimus robot is the part of the entire project that demands the most money, the most engineering, and the most careful design. But in the future, these same robotic hands will transform human labor entirely. As Musk said, human work will be optional. Work will turn into something similar to a hobby. If you dislike a certain task, Optimus will complete it for you. Through all these tasks, the robot will even be able to earn money, while all you need to do is wait for it to bring the earnings home. This idea alone makes millions of people want to own one Tesla bot for themselves. So, how exactly will Optimus take over in the year 2026? Could a Terminator-style situation happen? Could this robot grow more intelligent than humans in the future? These are the newest updates regarding the development progress of Optimus Generation 3, and honestly, you do not want to miss anything. If artificial intelligence and robotics become advanced enough to meet all human needs, then money itself will slowly become less important. Its relevance simply fades away. Many people fear that robots will take all our jobs and leave humans unemployed. But if you look at it from a more hopeful angle, like the idea that soon we will not need to do household chores anymore, then we will have more free time to relax and breathe. And that scenario actually sounds far more realistic. Elon Musk once shared that whenever you return home after a long, draining day of work, nearly every household chore could already be finished by the Tesla bot. From vacuuming to cooking, to mopping the floors, folding clothes, and organizing things, everything will be taken care of. Even though this might not happen next year, Musk repeated many times that for everyone to afford an Optimus robot, the final price must stay around $20,000. He fully understands that anything above that number makes it unreachable for regular families. He also believes that Tesla will eventually build tens of millions of these robots each year, possibly even 100 million robots yearly. It is unbelievable to hear, but he is serious. Elon Musk's main objective is to build millions of Optimus units annually, or maybe tens of millions, and eventually billions of robots across the entire world. Of course, to reach that goal, this machine needs to convince billions of customers. Most people will not spend money on a robot that can only dance or simply wander around the house. Before Optimus becomes a household device, it must gain huge upgrades in intelligence and movement. Musk has repeatedly said that everything is improving, especially walking speed. Tesla has zero interest in releasing a robot that moves slowly or clumsily. However, they still needed time to make big leaps because the early target for the robot was to move at around 5.5 miles per hour. But now, the newest demo shows the Tesla bot running at around 6.8 miles per hour, and the running posture is 99% human-like. The demo video we saw was slowed down, but even in that footage, every step of the Tesla bot appears extremely natural. There were even moments where both of its feet were almost entirely off the ground, just like a human running. This movement style closely matches real human biomechanics. You need deep knee flexing, landing on the front of the foot, and the torso rotates naturally with each stride. If its running speed is truly around 6.8 miles per hour, then its walking speed is likely around 4 to 4.5 miles per hour, which equals roughly 1.8 to 2 meters per second. That is genuinely impressive. Normally, a humanoid robot must walk at around 2.5 miles per hour to be effective inside a home or factory. Anything below that becomes too slow and reduces its usefulness. Most buyers, including all of us, want a robot that moves gracefully and quickly. This speed reflects more than just powerful actuators. It shows the perfect coordination between sensors, motors, joints, and the energy system. Running might appear simple for humans, but for a robot, running is one of the hardest movements possible. It demands absolute precision in balance, control of forces on the ground, and extremely fast sensor responses. The most surprising thing is that Optimus runs with a very natural human-like form. Longer strides, short time touching the ground, and a steady upper body. This proves that the robot's motion control system is becoming extremely advanced. If you compare Optimus today with the early version shown in 2021, you immediately notice that Elon Musk has spent a huge amount of money to reach this level of accomplishment. It also proves Tesla's serious commitment to commercializing this robot on a huge global scale. As Musk stated, he believes that in the future, every person in the world will want at least one Optimus robot. He even predicts that next year Tesla will have over 1,000, maybe even a few thousand Optimus robots working inside Tesla factories. Tesla has also shown major improvements in Optimus hand control. This is one of the toughest parts of humanoid robotics because hands need tiny actuators, high sensitivity, and fast coordination. In the newest close-up clips, the fingers move smoother and faster, and the joints look more natural. The robot can rotate each finger, pinch objects, pull items, and coordinate several fingers at once. It looks similar to what Tesla displayed at the 2024 shareholder meeting, showing they are finalizing the hand design instead of experimenting endlessly. These upgrades prove Optimus is no longer just a research project. It is becoming a real product with a clear timeline. Everything we see, running, balancing, hand movement, is from version 2.5, not generation 3. That is important because it means Tesla is hiding the biggest features of generation 3 until the official reveal. Version 2.5 is already a major upgrade in movement and hand ability. The running demo shows the robot can handle high-impact motion. The hand demo shows it can do delicate and precise tasks, something extremely rare in robotics. The actuators inside the hands are more compact and powerful now. Each finger moves independently with 3 flexible joints, like a human hand. This gives Optimus the ability to do everyday actions such as picking thin sheets, rotating objects, gripping slippery items, and shifting small parts between fingers. These skills allow a wide range of practical tasks. With this control, Optimus can organize small items, connect cables, fold clothes, pick vegetables, handle thin materials, and possibly even thread a needle, something Elon Musk once mentioned. It turns Optimus from a robot that simply walks into a machine ready for real work. Elon Musk said Optimus version 3 will be very impressive with even more human-like fingers. If version 2.5 already performs like this, then generation 3 will be a big leap forward. Tesla has not shown it yet because the reveal is expected early next year, likely February. Tesla upgrades Optimus every few months, so the next version could be the first one aimed at mass production. If version 2.5 can sprint without falling, something most robots cannot do, then generation 3 will be even more stable and fluid. Tesla is clearly keeping surprises for the reveal. Running requires solving extremely complex problems such as perfect step timing, ground force control, and balancing in the air. Once a robot can do this, its hands can work smoothly at the same time. Optimus stays balanced, moves cleanly, and keeps its hands steady even while its body is in motion. This level of coordination means Tesla has connected all sensors, cameras, and motion systems into one unified control structure. The hand improvements are not just for show. They prove Optimus is reaching the stage where it can work in factories and homes. A robot that can move through a facility, stay balanced for long sessions, and use its hands to assemble and carry items is the type of machine that can replace humans in repetitive or tiring jobs. Another detail people missed is how Optimus charges. In the running demo, several units are plugged in behind it using a simple charging port on the robot's back. The battery stays inside the robot. This design fits factories where robots need quick charging without slowing down. Tesla's long experience with electric vehicles now helps robot charging. It shows Tesla is planning for millions of robots running non-stop. This matches reports about Tesla expanding the Optimus production area at Giga Texas. A huge new section is being prepared, possibly large enough to build up to 10 million robots per year. A smaller line in Fremont may handle around 1 million per year. These numbers connect with what suppliers in China are saying. They report rising demand for actuators, motors, joints, and roller screws for Optimus. Tesla also hired an actuator program manager in Vancouver, proving the supply chain is growing fast. Optimus requires a massive supply chain, possibly even larger than the automotive industry. Recently, an Apple Robotics researcher named Elon Chen joined the Optimus team. He said Tesla has the perfect mix of hardware and artificial intelligence to make this robot real. He was shocked by the scale of the Optimus lab and the dedication of the team. Apple is known for strict hiring, so his reaction shows how advanced Optimus might already be. The new demo is not only about running or finger movement. It shows Tesla is getting close to commercial release. The robot's vision system works, the mechanical structure is nearly done, the hands are precise, and the charging setup is ready for daily use. If Tesla continues at this pace, Optimus could become the first humanoid robot made in huge numbers and able to replace human labor in many industries. With the newest videos, Optimus' role as a home helper is also becoming clearer. It is turning into a reliable assistant able to do household tasks with gentle control. With 22 degrees of freedom in the hands and advanced sensors, Optimus can fold clothes, wash dishes, organize items, assist in cooking, and carry objects safely. Because it learns from real environments, the robot can adapt quickly inside homes. It can interact with different objects, learn the habits of its owners, help elderly or disabled people, remind schedules, and react quickly during emergencies. With balanced movement and smooth task execution, Optimus is becoming a useful home companion. If progress continues, many homes may have an Optimus in the future. As Elon Musk said, people may want one or even two. The true strength of Optimus is the mix of natural movement, advanced hands, fast running, and strong industrial charging support. Tesla is turning something that once looked like science fiction into a global industry. This demo could be remembered as the moment humanoid robots started entering daily life. So what impressed you most about the newest Optimus demonstration? Do you think Tesla will begin mass production by the year 2026? Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button with a smooth flash tap. It really helps us keep bringing you the future of technology. See you soon for the next Optimus update.